welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're gonna open Micro Moshi.
What, this is a can of Micro Moshi, right? Silver collection, 10 limited editions, right?
I don't even know what it is. We just bought it.
Let's take a close up.
Micro
It seems something very interesting.
What about the back had nothing?
Yes, nothing
Should we
there.
open it now?
Yeah, sure, of course, right now. It's gonna have some surprise.
I want to know what's inside right now. I'm so excited. What's inside? Okay. I'm kind of sick today, okay? Oh, it's baby. It's a little animal. You know, I'm kind of sick, so I can cough. How do... I see one Micro Moshi in the floor. It's so small with these silver things.
Yeah, this is silver
They're
creatures.
micro.
Yeah. They're 10 little Micro Moshi.
They're 10 limited edition. I'll pop all of them out, and one by one I'll give them to let you see all of the micro mimis or mushies. So hard.
I like the can. I can put some cookie inside and bring it to school. Can I?
You want to bring it to your own school? But you don't have school, you just finished school.
Yeah, I finished school already. Finish somehow?
Yes, I want to help me put them.
Okay.
Micro Mimi! Micro Moshi.
You love them? A silver edition. You look good. Oh, everybody is in silver color.
Right.
What color you like most?
I like pink.
Which color?
I like pink. Comment down below what's your favorite color, okay?
Silver. That means a kind of money. A donut.
An apple head. This is a mushroom. Look. And now let's make them good so they look like a school of fish.
Yeah.
They cannot stand. The mushroom cannot stand.
Yes, it's okay. It's a dummy mushroom.
Now they can stand. Oh, this one is easy.
Did you take your medicine already?
Yes, I just
You just visit the clinic and get some
No,
medicine?
you gave me medicine.
I mean, you go to the clinic or hospital to get the medicine.
A unicorn.
Yeah, you see the medical doctor.
Yes.
Today's doctor is a girl.
Yes, and she was so fat. She was like, There's so much Micro Moshi.
Yeah.
I thought they were supposed to be squishy.
They call mushy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10
Yeah, you look good.
Micro Moshis. Okay, now let's give you a bunny. We have a bunny, a cat, a unicorn, a donut, a monkey, a hedgehog, a seahorse. What is this? A bear, kind of, and a mushroom, and a little boy. That is so. Let's put them back in the box. Okay, remember, if you want to buy, just come in Macau to buy it. So bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we got 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye, Micro Moshi.